So I'd encourage colleagues to apply to become an associate of the Academy, as the last 9 months during my time as an associate have been one of probably the best professional learning I've experienced. You get an opportunity to meet people at the highest level of government, people who've influenced the standards, both teaching and leadership standards, that we're working towards in Wales, and they inform your thinking as a school leader, but you get the rare opportunity to have discussions with them that informs their thinking, and could then have an influence on the education in Wales. In terms of it challenging our thinking, sessions with the likes of Professor Mererid Hopwood would inform school leaders' thinking when they're designing their curriculum, which is obviously on the agenda for all schools in the coming terms. There's also opportunities to work with the likes of Professor Ken Jones, who will inform your thinking as a leader in terms of the professional learning of your staff, moving away from just training and events, if you like, in professional performance management. This is more about developing colleagues as professional learners, yourself included.